Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to use advanced feature in Twitter. Now Twitter, now called as X, often offers several advanced features beyond basic posting to help you tailor your experiences. You could connect with specific audiences and analyze their performance as well. So what you have to do is to access this. The advanced search feature is a powerful tool on a web version of the Twitter X and finding very specific posts from a certain period or containing a particular word itself. So what you could do is to access this, you could use the browser version. So open up your browser and type in x.com on the web address bar. As you do it, so you will then be taken to their official page, and you just need to go ahead and alternately perform a normal search on the X, or just tap on advanced search in the top right corner of the search result. So when you actually do this, you will be able to use the advanced feature, and likewise you could also go ahead and key search the filters, and other than that you could go and explore other options as well. So these are the advanced feature provided by the Twitter X. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.